This is my review of the commercial, I think, WeChef deep fryer. I've already used it once. It's a very good deep fryer. Has a lid. Takes quite a bit of oil, about 2 liters or 1.5 liters. But this is a pretty good oil fryer. I got the spout version. One key thing to note about the spout is that you lift and you twist it to open up the liquid. I'm not going to do that here in the video. And this also does twist out so you can do the further cleaning as well. It's a pretty big contraption here. Has this temperature gauge right here. I'm going to plug it up for a second. And it's a 3-prong plug. And you'll notice the power button comes on. The power light comes on. Let me turn off the light. Power button comes on. There's a timer gauge over here as well. And the cook time can respond to this and turn off when the timer is, up. That's if you want to set it to that. That's the whole purpose of this button. But one key thing to note about this contraption, and that's very, very important. So you'll notice it says power, but it does not say heat. Even if I turn the knob, well, it's doing it this time because I have it set right. If you don't have this set right, like it's supposed to be, I don't know if you can see it, set right in the hinges on both sides, then there won't be anything to engage the heating element at the back, right here. If I can find it, where is it at? Right here. If I can find it. I'll turn on the light so you can better see it. There's a heating element button right here where my finger is pointing. That has to be touching this leather here so it can work. Now, once this heating button or light turns off, it's ready to fry. And I like this thing. It's very good. It's very good, very convenient. One gripe about this machine is that it doesn't have any handles on the side, so beware of that. So for easy lifting and taking wherever you need to take it. But other than that, this is a good buy. It doesn't get any hotter than 390 degrees. Well, that's okay. What do you need to fry any more than 390 degrees? But it's one of the gripes about it, but it's all right. It's an all right cooker. I'll give a more detailed review in the description as well. But overall, a good fryer. So, review, we got a timer, temperature gauge. Remember that there's a button on the back here that needs to be hitting the leather on the left side to activate. The spout version, you lift, twist, comes out. Nice convenient basket. I got it crooked, so, Convenient basket. Easy to clean. Stainless steel heating element. Things such as that nature. This does come up. So, if you need to clean this whole surface, you can separate this. And the cable comes with it as well. So you don't have to worry about losing cables or detachable cables or anything like that. This is a one-stop shop type of product.